This is your man HB. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hey, I've got a little rear sighting that I'm gonna show. Seeing them trees over there? Those are birds looking like leaves on the tree. Yep. My camera don't let me zoom in too well, but if you can see them, those are birds. Those are some vultures that we have around here that clean up. Very important birds. All right. Yep. On my walk with Biscuit and Charlie. It's a short little video to show you some of the sights. Let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, yeah, I can zoom in. Yeah, see them a little closer. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Let's see. Well, on the video, you can pause it and count them if you want. Not gonna really count them. They're doing their thing, just hanging out, chilling. It's a nice, cool day. Skyline looks beautiful. All right. Yeah. Those are birds in the tree. Healthy looking birds. Huh? Come on, Charlie. You see them, Charlie? See Charlie looking over there. Yeah, Charlie. Charlie looking right up at them. Whoa, see them? That one just flew over. They just hanging, man. Hanging. Big, healthy birds. Man, them things are so huge. Can I get any closer? Yeah, I can get a little closer. Yep, there they are. Huge, healthy birds. They be getting the road kills around here. Yep. This is your man HB. Like and subscribe the videos. Yep. Just walking and sharing with my dogs in the morning. Oh, shake it out, baby. You see them? Yeah, look at them ones up there in the top. Yeah. Interesting specimens. Their heads look like turkeys. I don't know if they're related. We'll be eating turkey, Thanksgiving, all that. Anyway, yeah, just walking with Biscuit. Charlie's pretty fascinated with them. Come on, Charlie. Charlie, you see that? What was that, Charlie? Huh? Charlie's like, man, I don't want to be roadkill around here. Anyway, it's your man HB. Give me a like and subscribe and share. All right? Peace, liberty, and love. Keep it real.